Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be a tag video. Let me look up which tag video I'm going to do. Oh, what, my hair? It's from Lsy Beauty. I don't know why you're gagging. I'm joking. I understand completely why you guys are gagging. This hair is phenomenal. It's their Indian straight hair. 26 inches. So it's 26, 24, 22 and a 20-inch frontal. Wow. I know it's not like the best frontal that's on YouTube currently, but it's getting there. I did an entire video of how I achieved this natural frontal look, and I'm putting it in quotations because I still don't think it's at that level as yet. But you guys, I'm so proud of myself. Y'all don't even know. Where's the thing I put here? So if you watch your other video, you know what I'm talking about. That it put something more in here. So, okay. Girl, I love it so much. But I will be taking more risks with frontals. The sides look better. I didn't deliberately do the baby hairs. When I tied it down with a sock, it gave me this like automatic baby hair. I don't know, but I love this hair very much. It is really thick. I don't know if it's because I'm having 3 bundles on the frontal, but it is thick. Like, she's thick though. She's thick and she cute. Let me show you her. She thick and she cute though. Nice, right? Okay. Yes, so beauty tag. Ooh, let's do a beauty tag. Yeah. So it's 30 questions. And being that I feel very beautiful and confident or whatever, let's jump right into this tag video. I'm annoying somebody watching this video, but if you've been watching my channel, you would know that closures, they have always, why can't I buy a comb? Closures have always, not closures, frontals have always been an issue for me, a bit of an issue for me. So to have, to accomplish this, you guys, it's such an achievement. Alright, let's just start the video, right? I want to show my frontalness. Oh, they're going to know if I don't show my frontalness. I want random people passing this video who didn't watch the previous video to go, oh my gosh, girl, those edges though. And I'll be like, yes, boo, I've been slaying edges since 08. Where were you? Okay. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're going to start, okay? Alright, let's go. Alright, so the very first question is, do you remember your first makeup item? Obviously, you know the roller lip gloss, them, the roller ones, like the one with a ball on it. That was my first item. And eyeliner, like black eyeliner, because when I was growing up, the trend with black lip and black like liner lips with a black liner, and then like the gloss in the middle, that was on trend, honey. So that was my first makeup item. Describe your perfect mascara. Have you found one that fits your specifications? To be quite honest, I don't care about mascaras. Excuse me, I'm not a mascara person. So the type of mascara, for length, for volume, for realism, it's just not something that I do. What I do is realistic frontals. Okay, just so we clear, honey. Just we clear like glass. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so what kind of coverage do you prefer from a foundation? Full coverage, obviously. Let me zoom out a bit so y'all can see all this amazingness. Is it looking trashy back here? You guys, please don't be annoyed with me. Alright. have not laid a frontal like this in years, and I'm hella proud of myself, and I know what I'm going to do next. You know what I mean? Like, I have an idea now, like how to make it work, and I'm gonna make it work. I have an idea now. So yeah. Okay, yes, yes. Favorite high-end brand. Okay, so high-end is different in Jamaica, and that's because we rate high in terms of prices. And out here, like Black Opal is now considered drugstore based on where some other drugstore foundations fall, you know. But out here, like a Black Opal foundation is probably $1,100 or $1,200. I haven't bought one a pretty long time, but between that and that's roughly $9 or so in US, you know. But my favorite hand brand, I've used Bobbi Brown, I've used Marc Jacobs. Those are the only two high-end brands that I've used. And I would definitely prefer Marc Jacobs because, well, let me say Marc Jacobs for the eyeshadow. And the only thing I purchased from Bobbi Brown was that the lip balm and also her foundation palette, which I'm not too keen about. That foundation palette, like Black Opal can do, Black Opal can do a much better job, in my opinion. And remember, I live in Jamaica where it is summer all day, honey, so it's always hot. So because it's always, you know, quite hot, I find that Black Opal works. It works for my clients. And whenever I use the Bobbi Brown, the BBU palette, the Bobbi Brown Ultimate Foundation palette, that palette, I still have to go over it with Black Opal anyway. So yeah. So I would say Marc Jacobs for the eyeshadow and their bronzers, and and Marc Jacobs brushes. But I only have one. I've had it for years. But honey, let me tell you something, honey. It is worth the money, okay? It is the Marc Jacobs Face Toothbrush, and it's for at the time when I bought it, it was $70. That's close to 9,000 Jamaican dollars for one brush. That is worth it. I don't know. Oh, look at me, and I'm not even. You see that? And I'm not wearing a glue. It's the frontal. I'm telling you, it is the front. It's the frontal. You don't even understand. What y'all? I'm going to the mom tag. Oh, I'm going to do a mom tag too. Tag. So yeah. So what cosmetic brands have you always wanted to try but still haven't? I've always wanted to try Chanel, still haven't. The Tarte Shape Tape, still haven't. The Too Faced foundation that Jackie Aina worked with. Becca foundations. I'm more into foundations, you know, like complexion stuff, because maybe, I don't know, but I those. What else? Which other brand I would love to try? To be honest, you guys know I love Sasha Cosmetics, right? Because I've been working closely with Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. But the other brand that I'm completely head over heels for is a oldie but a goodie, and that's MAC Cosmetics. MAC has so much variety. Like, you can't do MAC. You can't do MAC. You cannot. Everything I've tried from MAC Cosmetics shot. Them Pro Long Wear Concealer, this doesn't crease. I use it to cut my creases. It doesn't crease at all. Shut. The foundation, the Pro Long Wear foundation in the compact, shut. Eyeshadows, shut. Foundation, blush, shut. Bronzers, glowy, shut. Strobe, it's like, oh my gosh, like when I was doing YouTube, MAC Cosmetics was the quintessential of makeup. They were the standard. They were the MAC brushes. They were the standard. You know what I mean? To the point where I was like, I might have to get something MAC if I want to start a YouTube channel. Like, they were to some of you, but still to me, it's a brand that I am just completely in love with, and I would love the opportunity to just go and to like just purchase stuff and try them out here for you guys. You know what I mean? And just not have to think, oh gosh, this is too expensive. Oh god, you know what I mean? Just that freedom just for you guys and for me as well. Because the truth is, guys, I love MAC. I even have a MAC makeup case. I had it for years. It's been through so much, and it is still kicking. Girl, get your life. Alright, so the other question is favorite drugstore brand. And just off the top of my head, Revlon COLDEST, the foundation, that is. Black Opal, obviously. Yes, Sasha Cosmetics is a drugstore brand because it's in Fantana, it's in drugstores. So that's why I'm basically still a drugstore. And of course, Sasha Cosmetics. Just off the top of my head. Do you wear fake lashes? Fake lashes? Whatever do you mean? Is there any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without? No? Your lashes. No, I can't leave those without lashes. No, that's fine. Is there any kind of, oh, right, that's already. What is your most cherished beauty product? My brushes. My pomade brushes. My brushes. How often do you shop for makeup? Not often, which is sad. I shop more for fitness stuff than makeup, which is so sad. I guess it goes with what I'm in now, you know what I mean? So I don't know, maybe the love for makeup will come back, but I don't shop for makeup often. Do you like to pick up an item here and there, or just get lots of goodies at once? Here and there, more than likely. Do you have a beauty budget or spend freely? Spend freely? Whatever do you mean? I should do have a budget, because Jeremy said you need to have a budget, like for anything, shopping, bills, whatever. You just need to have a budget so you can delegate your money properly and you can know where you've spent what. So you can't be like, oh gosh, I'm gonna have $1,000. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do the $1,000. You know, so it takes the guesswork out of your budget, and it's good for long term, you know what I mean, and monthly. So, but nah, I have budgets in general. Do you utilize coupons, reward cards, and sales when you shop for cosmetics? No. What? Sometimes, yeah. Like if I'm buying something from Beauty Bakery or Sasha or something like that, and I know of an influencer having a beauty code, I'm gonna look for that influencer, honey. So yo, what type of product do you buy most of? Eyeshadows. Is there a brand that you absolutely can't stand? Not really. Do you avoid certain ingredients in cosmetic brands like parabens or sulfates? Should I? Because I don't. I just buy it, you know, so no. Both favorite bath and body brand. I don't understand what this is. Oh, Lush. I bought some stuff from Lush years ago and I love it. Locally speaking, Belle Spray, Nature's Pure. Yeah, I guess. Do you have a favorite place to shop for makeup? Not necessarily. Do you like trying new skincare products, or you keep a certain routine? Yes and no. I'll buy a new product if it's within my routine. Like no, I'm going completely organic for my skincare, and my skin loves it, honey, loves it. So yeah, yes and no. If you could buy from one brand, which brand would you choose? MAC Cosmetics. What brand do you think has the best packaging? Oh, let me tell you how I feel about packaging. I'm going to stop here. It's 10 more questions, but I'm going to stop here. Let me tell you how I feel about packaging. I feel like packaging is completely unnecessary. Hear me out. I know it looks cute and stuff, but if you buy a lot of makeup or you buy a lot of bags, shoes, to keep the packaging, even if you're going to use it for storage, it takes up a lot of space. Makeup packaging now, they are going completely over the top, and I'm just like, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't understand it. I do not understand it, ma'am. And whenever I pull something, I throw the box away that it comes in. So let's say, for instance, I bought this .tb and it came in a box. I'm gonna dash the box and some crap instructions. It's a good thing that stuff is like on the packaging, on the product itself, and all the effort is not put into the packaging. You know what I mean? Like even with these lashes, right? I mean, they're lashes, and they're not expensive. They're inexpensive lashes. And when I'm done with the lashes, I'm gonna throw the container away. I'm not gonna keep it. But on the flip side, it do look cute though. When you have some cute packaging and stuff, like, you know, like it looks cute, you know, or whatever. It does look cute, but in terms of like the containers or the packaging that the products come in, I mean, your effort is noted. It's admired. You know, it's appreciated. But I don't need all that frilly, honey. As long as what's inside, as long as the product is amazing, then I'm good with some crappy packaging. You know, or who knows? Maybe I'll say, you know, this foundation is so bomb. The shop is that the packaging is so cheap. You know what I mean? So I may say that or I may not say that. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching my Lsy Beauty Hair. My Indian straight 26 inches with my frontal looking how she look, acting how she What? What she say? She said what? Girl. Speaking my good ear, honey, my good ear. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Lsy Beauty. I kiss you because your hair is good, but I am mostly proud of myself because of my frontal ability. I'm a very good frontalist. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the netter one. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Fail. Complete fail.